Okay.
Today we have 4 lotions and an acne cleanser. We're going to show you how this works as in before and after. We're going to start off with this one. This is Suave Vitamin E, and it relieves all your stretch marks. Do you have stretch marks?
Yes, I do.
Oh, just so happens I do too. Dude, my stretch marks.
It's from having my baby.
Okay, now all you have to do is put a little dab. That's all you need. Rub it.
I wanted that on it.
Rub it together. Rub it.
Okay, I'm rubbing.
Rub, just rub.
I'm rubbing. This feels so gross.
And it's magically gone.
But remember, kids, if you hadn't had babies in the first place, this would not have happened.
Be protected. Okay, say.
The black one's not going away. This crap don't work.
Stay protected.
Here you go.
So
It works.
This is
All gone.
This is 18 ounces, and we're selling it for $14.99. Next, we have the festive.
$14.99. Wow, that's a low price.
And we also have.
Sold it. I'll take it. I didn't say sold at Dollar
Next,
General.
we have festive vanilla fig. It's so fun to say, and it's purple, and it's great. So everybody, please say festive vanilla fig with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Festive vanilla fig. Isn't it fun?
It's
We're
fun to
only
say.
selling this for $13.77.77.
That's a low price.
Yes.
I'll take it.
Next, we have the cherry
blossom, and it sounds so good.
It stinks.
The top goes like this.
She bought it for me.
it touched my tongue.
We're selling that for $2.
$2 because it stinks.
That's my price. I'll take it.
And next we have another cherry blossom. Next, cherry blossom.
Look at my hair. It's so pretty.
And it makes your acne go away.
That happens every time. Carpet cleaner. Every time he goes over here, we always make him. Oh God!
Cherry blossom, anybody?
Thank you. It's on my. It touched my tongue.
Okay, we're selling
This is Nina throwing up after it went in her mouth.
This is $19.99. Next, we have the acne. Skin Essentials acne.
I need that.
Easy 1, 2, and 3, and your face is.
Let me go get a towel. There's stuff on my dresser. Someone help. Made a mess of it.
Wow, those are my prices. I'll
Trying to find some battery. Move.
That cherry blossom.
Where's
really
the acne
smells-
cleaner at? I
smells
need
in
it.
Ugh.
Oh, you spit on my face.
Rub some on
I'll
your
just
neck.
take those. Yeah, you take these two. It's my turn.
Sarah, took it off.
Lee, you want me to record
I want to do it for your video.
Okay, I'll stop.